Hey everybody, Q the Chaotic here. This is a video I don't want to make right now because we're in the middle of a blizzard, getting like 4 to 7 inches of snow, then freezing rain after that. So I'm gonna go on out here and give the Camaro a little test drive. See a Silverado driving away now, so I'm gonna see if I can be like that guy. So if you're liking the content, please give the channel a like, a subscribe, a comment, and I'll appreciate that. So let's start up the Camaro. I gotta shovel some of this snow. You can see my trails right there. Yeah, let me get this out the way. Don't want to be driving on that and then have the rain come down, and it'll be out there till like April if I don't shovel it all up. So let me lazily do this right now. Alright, so that was a cold start in sport mode. Hey man, it's some heavy snow. But for everybody that knows me, they know I'm very energy conservative. So I'll come back to this later. Alright, let me turn traction control off. Alright, I think I can do this now. Got traction control off, and now I'm in snow and ice mode. So I think once I get going, I'm okay. Oh, there's a snowplow. Hey man, why'd you plow on the road? Yeah, I shouldn't be doing this at all, but I gotta see. Thank God they plowed this up here. Alright. Oh yeah, once I get here, I think I'm smooth. Yeah, this is definitely doable. My transmission kind of got stuck a little bit going in the second. Turn. No, I keep traction control off, but the stability control is still on. I keep the RPM low because it's still a 455 horsepower car. So you kind of gotta drive it like it's a 200 horsepower car, like it's a Camry or something. Bro, why you shoveling that in the street? What kind of contraption? I need that. See the Charger, snowed in. They can probably make it though. I think that's might be the GT. Oh yeah, this is definitely doable. Deep snow, I would stay away from. And I should have known that from the get-go because this car is very low and I got the splitter, so hopefully I don't run into some ice. Fingers crossed. Because I'll probably mess up my whole front end. I ain't trying to pay for that. But if I do, upgrade. Downshift. Just keep it easy on the throttle. It'll be okay. Uh-oh. Alright, downshift to second. Man, I can't blip the throttle because the throttle response is so slow. I gotta kind of do it for an extra second. See if I can. Oh, tried the fishtail, really didn't do it. Yeah, those summer tires, I would have got stuck in the driveway. I wouldn't have been able to even pull out far from the garage. See if I can pass this person. Yeah, they say a car, like a rear wheel drive car with snow tires is better than a front wheel drive car with all seasons. And I tend to believe it. But it gets kind of tricky when you get cars with super high horsepower or very deep snow. So I had an all-wheel drive Charger, and that on all seasons did better than my rear-wheel drive G8 GT with snow tires. But we did have literally 12 inches of snow, and I got stuck in the street, so I just had to pull back in the garage and drive the Charger. Oh yeah, and I forgot to let y'all know, I'm at 501 miles now. I should have did that before I left the house, but now I'm free to home. And if you have a hard time, I had to shift in the second gear because it's too much horsepower and torque in first gear. So you want to shift as early as possible. But other than that, this car is just like any other car in the snow. And especially on plowed roads. Let me get behind this car because other people going too fast. Oh, pile of snow. Oh! Yeah, I got people going around me. It's normally the trucks. And what trucks tend to forget is, yeah, they can go in the snow, but can you stop? And I can probably stop better. If he doesn't have winter tires, I can definitely stop better. I got a lighter car. When trucks can go, they can't stop. Keep that in mind. And be courteous to other people. Another reason why you need to kind of take it slow. There's a lot of foreigners. I don't know if people know, but I know people from other countries, they tend to like live around here and they've never seen snow before. So they're like, man, what the hell is this? So they got to take it slow, and people just don't have the patience to be around them. They speed off on them or just have road rage in front of them. And that's not cool at all. I'm gonna start off in second gear going over here. We got to go up in here, give it a little bit of throttle. Or not. Hey, why's my throttle still cutting? I got traction control off. Whatever. I still made it. This looks like the perfect place to do some snow nuts. But I'm not, because there's a lot of police around here. And I would never do that. Wink, wink. I assume that person is stopped. All right, that's my destination right here. I will do a snow nut. Not that many chances happen like that. So let me run in the store. I'll be right back. Hey, I lied. I'm doing one. Got a confession to make. That was my first real burnout or donut. You get out of here. So right down the street from a state trooper station. In all honesty, I wouldn't even be out here even if I was driving the Flex. Like I don't like going out in the snow. Can I make this light? Nope. Start off in second. Still got traction control off. Plow through this. Oh. We'll stay in this lane here. Don't want to drive in this slush on the right side. Plus we got people over there, snow blowing. Don't want to pull a Mustang move. You know how Mustangs love people. Thank you for your service. Hopefully the police are cool about that. Yep, they kept on going. Ain't God good? Stop at this one though. Snow over here unplowed. Nope, not going through it. Forgot about that splitter. Cruise through here. A little bit of fishtail, but I'm good. Getting passed by a Cadillac. Cautious of people out here. Give them their space. You never know if you might lose control. Should be good though. Oh, I hit that. That's what she said. All right, y'all. Alright, I'm about to go back in the house. Might do a couple lines of snow. Not that kind of snow. But I'm about to go in the house and warm up for a little bit. Tired, I'm lazy. Energy effective. So let me know what y'all think about the video. Do you drive your Camaro in the snow? Do you store it for the winter time? Am I crazy for being out here like this? I'm gonna drive it every day. So let me know what you guys think. And if you like this content, please like, subscribe, share, comment. Until next time, take care. I'm out.